Samsung is developing on its next big thing, the foldable, after releasing its top Galaxy S25 series. There are rumors that this year will be significant for the next Galaxy Z series, particularly because more devices than usual are anticipated to be released. 4 devices are predicted for the series: the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Galaxy Z Flip 7, a triple foldable, and a Flip FE variant. Even if this is the first time it's occurring, a recent leak indicates that the Galaxy Z Flip 7 could also include the first Exynos chipset in a Samsung foldable. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 is expected to be the first flip and fold model in the Galaxy Z series to employ an Exynos chipset instead of the customarily exclusive usage of Snapdragon processors, according to sources SamMobile quoted. The release of the Exynos 2500 is what makes this so noteworthy. Samsung's first ever smartphone CPU was constructed using its proprietary, cutting-edge, second-generation 3M manufacturing method. It is anticipated that this fully in-house created chip would provide a remarkable improvement in energy and power efficiency. It is said to have a 10-core CPU and an Eclipse 950 GPU, which is built on AMD's state-of-the-art RDNA 3.5 graphics architecture. The final product is a chip that can be used for performance-intensive applications like high-end mobile gaming in addition to everyday smartphone usage. It is directly competing with Qualcomm's top-tier Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, which may be marketed as a late. Fascinatingly, SamMobile claims that its internal sources have confirmed that nations including South Korea and India would get the Exynos-powered version of the Z Flip 7, even though Samsung has not yet officially confirmed these information. However, it is probable that devices with Snapdragon will still be available in other areas, including the US, China, and Canada. This would be consistent with Samsung's long-standing geographical division between Qualcomm and its own silicon. The Exynos 2500's compatibility with slimmer phone designs is another fascinating feature. According to early estimates, the Exynos 2500 may outperform the Snapdragon 8 Elite in this area since it might run hotter and have ultra-slim form factors, despite its outstanding performance. Samsung's chip could work better for svelte foldable devices if these first evaluations are accurate, providing a more balanced and cool performance. To put it simply, Samsung's most ambitious mobile device to date may make its debut on the Galaxy Z Flip 7. With its 3M design, AMD-based graphics, and worldwide rollout across a high-end product line, the Exynos 2500 chip is a daring advancement for Samsung's CPU goals as well as the development of its foldable portfolio overall. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.